Hey YouTube. Okay, I'm back with another video. Okay, and this right here is going to be the best portable dryer I had by far. Okay, so let's just get straight into it. Every time I get a new package, I feel like it's Christmas. This right here is the Costway 13-pound portable dryer. Okay, portable dryer meaning it does not need gas, it works on electricity. First, we're going to go over how everything is set up with this dryer. Then we're going to go over the settings on my dryer, and then I'm going to show you all of the clothes that is currently drying in this dryer right now, so you can see how many clothes it holds. So let's get straight into it, shall we? So if you haven't seen my video on my previous portable dryer, I had about, like, I want to say 3 different portable dryers by now. This has to be my 4th one. And no, they don't break down. It's literally me. I'm a spoiled brat, and I started with the 1.5 Magic Chef portable dryer. That one did break on me, but I had insurance on it, so I got my money back. And then I went with the 2.6. Now that's where I went wrong. I did the 2.6 Magic Chef dryer, portable dryer, and I wanted something bigger. I got something bigger, and it wanted to be in the worst portable dryer of my life. But that's a different video that I'll leave a link to in the description, and I'll try to put it above. But yeah, that dryer was worth dryer. This dryer is my new baby. I paid $329.99 with tax. It came up to $396.29 from Walmart, which the link will be in the description. Now, a fun fact about my apartment, because if you guys didn't know, I have a I live in a New York City apartment, meaning that electricity, right? It's not too strong for like things that take a lot of juice. So when I did the Panda, I think it was a 1800 watts or 1500 watts, and it started blowing out my power in my apartment, so I had to return it. I love that dryer so much. So one of my main goals was to stick with the 1300. So this one is a 1350 watt. It's supposed to take up to 13.2 pounds of clothes. Okay, now I do have some video and pictures of this dryer next to my old dryer. I hate that dryer so much, and I will insert it into this video to let y'all see what it looked like. I felt like my old dryer was a bit bigger, but I'll let y'all be the judge of that, and y'all can comment below and let me know how you feel about it. Anyway, let's get up into the setup. Okay, so I changed it up. If you guys are returning back to my channel, welcome back. You are appreciated here. But anyway, so I used to have like a cup. I put this on the wall. I put thumbtacks because, like I said, it's an apartment I'm renting. Don't want to put nails on the wall. I put thumbtacks, and I'm going to leave this in the description box also, so the air goes into this vent. This I'm able to change. I also have the change in filter, so when this filter gets too dirty, I can change it, and I can always order some more. The water, I don't know if you're able to see that, but the water level is about like right here. Yeah, it's about like right here. Helps the moisture come up from it drying inside. I also have it plugged directly into the wall. We do not do extension cords with this type of dryer. Please listen to me. I feel like I'm a pro at as many portable dryers that I done had, but I feel like this is the last of the batch, and this is going to be the golden Willy Wonka ticket. As I repeated, this is Costway. Now, I know about Costway. Costway is a really good brand. I'm familiar with it, just like I know about Magic Chef, and I was good with that brand. For the record, the 2.6, there was nothing wrong with it. I just wanted a bigger dryer because my washer can handle a lot of clothes, and I wanted my dryer to be able to handle all the clothes that the washer could handle. So with that being said, let's go into the buttons. Okay, so see, that's how brand new it is. It still got some plastic on it. I'll make y'all feel better because y'all be coming for me in the comments. I'm about to take the plastic off. Anyway, okay, so right here we have, it shows that when it's in, that means it's strong. When it's out, that means it's weak, right? Some of them may say eco mode, whatever. So basically the dryer is at its highest when it's pushed in. When it's pushed out, it's weak. So let's push that back in because I pushed it out for you guys, right? So currently right now it is between the anti-wrinkle session. So normally what I do when I have a load of clothes from my portable washer, you should watch that video also on my mattress shop portable washer. Love that baby. 3 years now, about to be 4. Yeah, it's going strong. Anyway, I normally just put it like right here at 180. I don't normally put it to 200. Put it to 180. And look how quiet it is. Like, let me just be quiet. It's the most quiet dryer I ever had. Like, sometimes I'll be like, is this thing on? Like, back to this because this is what I was explaining. Sorry, I got distracted. So, it has 200 minutes maximum, 180, 160, da 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 da. So, just remember 200 to 20. Because from 20 to here, it's cooling off to get ready for the dryer to cut off, okay? Now, this is on other dryers, I saw this be air dry. This says cool air care, which is basically air dry, so it's no heat. It's just gonna literally just dry it with the air. That's air drying. This is with heat, right? And I'm gonna explain these bibbies to you right now. So this is how we're gonna read this chart, because some people, let me break this down for you. I got you, okay? We're starting this way, and then we're working our way up. We're not going this way. We're starting this way, because when you turn the knob is going to be turned over here. So it's going from 200 minutes to 120 is for heavy clothes. So if you have sweaters and all that good stuff, that's where you want to be, right? Now, from 120 to 60 is dry and cool, which means it's like, this is where it's going to be really hot, and this is where it's going to kind of slow down, right? And then from 60 to 20 minutes is anti-wrinkle, which means it's supposed to like not wrinkle my clothes, but honestly, to be completely honest with y'all, because I'm not getting paid for this video whatsoever, I don't see a difference in it wrinkling my clothes or not. Like, I really don't see a difference. So I mean, it could say it has that feature. Maybe my machine just don't do it, I don't know. But anyway, and then from 0 to 20 is cooling. So it's literally, focus, it's literally just cooling from 0. This is 0 to 20. So that's literally the knob. Like, that's literally not even the knob, that's literally all of the settings on this dryer. Like, that's it. Nice, simple, it doesn't beep. For those of you who saw my old video, well, it's not really that old because I just posted it like a few weeks ago prior to this video, but the worst dryer that I bought in my life, it kept beeping. This thing does not beep. It just turns off. It will stop. And that's it. It's beautiful. I love it. I'm so happy. So grateful, you know? And I'm not just going to be bougie because I put myself in that predicament trying to be bougie. So one thing I love about it too is that you could just open it and it stops. My clothes is already dry. This thing's been on for like 200. So I'm going to show you what I got up in here. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, you can see that. It's still room in there. Like, the top is like really up there. So it looked like a lot of clothes from the door, but it's still room. It's not a lot of clothes. If that makes sense. So I got this silk shirt, which we're going to put in the basket. I got a bonnet. I'm just showing you all the clothes that can fit in here. I have a scarf. Black Girl Magic. Another scarf. Black Girl Magic. I have a shirt that dropped, but put in the basket. Another scarf. Listen, I'm washing my scarf. I just washed my hair. Don't judge me. Black Girl Magic. This dropped too. These are sweatpants. Okay. Then I have some shorts. Go right in there. A nice sundress, but this feels a little damp, so we're gonna put that right there for now. My night shirt. Another dress. But I'm put that to the side because I'm gonna just let the dresses dry together. Some work pants. Another dress. Listen, I'm washing my summer dresses, okay? So I'm about to be over. This too feels a little damp. This is just a shirt. I'm gonna put that to the side. I could feel the clothes and feel it's not like crazy wet damp, but I could just touch it and know. Like to the average person, they might say, yeah, it's dry. It's not dry. Pajama shirt, and then something else fell in here. What fell in there? Oh, jeans. We're gonna put that to the side. Everything's just falling. This shirt. Some more jeans. Another night, but we're gonna put that to the side. It's like a night shirt I'll be wearing. This is another dress. Put that to the side. Tank top. Dress. And last but not least, and another shirt. So this is how it's looking. And this is what I'm putting back. So this is dry and this is what I'm putting back. I normally let it finish the whole thing, but because I was making this video, I said, let me just see if it's done. Which half of it was done, half of it wasn't. Listen, I have no complaints when it comes to the dryer. I get to close the door. It starts right back where it was at, okay? And go about my day. This is peace. This is like the perfect husband. It helps you when you need help, and it's just quiet. You don't even realize that it's there. Like, and it's just like every time you stop it, it picks where it left off. Like, I'm being sarcastic, guys, but no, seriously though, like, I love this dryer so much. I recommend it. I had it for about 3 weeks now, and I know that people are like, oh, that's kind of early. What if it give you problems? This dryer is just peace. It's peace. You have to watch my video to the worst dryer ever, and when you compare these two videos, one, you're going to hear it in my voice, and two, you're going to see it for yourself. This dryer is peace. So if you're looking for a portable dryer and you're confused on what size to get, or you want to know what's the best brand to get, what features, comment below. Let me know. I reply to my comments, and even if I don't, watch my videos. I feel like I've been through so many dryers that I should be able to help you get a dryer by now. But I recommend it. If it's too big, Magic Chef. I love Magic Chef. Costway is good too. Pretty sure they have smaller dryers too. But yeah, guys, this is my video. That's all I really have to say about it. I love it. It's my baby. Everything will be in the description down below. Thank you for watching this video. And if you like my reviews on my things, subscribe. I'm here to make videos, and I'm here to put you guys on. So I'll see you in my next video. Let's cheerio to another video.